All right, for problem 86, it says on the graph of y equals f of x, the slope at any point xy is twice the value of x. If f of 2 is 3, what is the value of f of 3? This is going to be a move that you will become more and more familiar with. It's called basically using the fundamental theorem of calculus to go from an initial condition to a second condition. So first let's interpret this. We're going to turn that little piece into math speak. And that would go in maybe what I would consider a half section. So the slope at any point xy is twice the value of x. So I would interpret that to mean f prime of x is 2x. You also could have said dy dx there, since after all, y equals f of x. And then we also have f of 2 is 3, and we want f of 3. Well, what do you need to do to f prime to get f? You need to take its antiderivative or its integral, and we're going to use some strategic bounds of 2 and 3, and then go from there. So this will be super fun. Ready? So the integral of f prime of x dx, if I use the x value from what I have and the x value from what I want, is the bounds. Check this magic out when you interpret it. So antiderivative of f prime would be f, and so this would mean f of 3 minus f of 2. And then, since f prime is 2x, we could just replace f prime with 2x. So we'd have the integral from 2 to 3 of 2x dx, and f of 3 is what I want to figure out, and f of 2 is equal to 3. There we go. So I just replaced f of 2 with 3 there. And then up to you how you want to do this. It is a calculator section, so you could totally do this using your calculator. For me, you know, the antiderivative is a fairly easy one, and so for me it kind of makes sense to just do that one by hand. So you'd end up with 9 minus 4, so this integral equals 5 on the left side. So you'd have 5 on the left side, and it just equals f of 3 minus 3, and then you could just add the 3 over, and you'd get 8. All right, my friends, that little move, you're gonna be able to use it in a couple places on your AP exam. So I hope it makes sense. I hope you're starting to get the hang of that one.